What is AWS DevOps and tools to develop a web app? AWS DevOps, short for Amazon Web Services DevOps, is a set of practices and tools designed to help organizations automate their infrastructure, streamline their development processes, and deliver software faster and more reliably. Tools to develop a web app with AWS DevOps. Code Pipeline. AWS Code Pipeline is a continuous integration and continuous deployment service that automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your release process. Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a managed service for deploying and scaling web applications and services developed with various programming languages and frameworks. CloudFormation. It allows you to define your infrastructure as code and create a collection of resources in a repeatable and predictable manner. CloudWatch provides data and actionable insights to monitor your applications, respond to system-wide performance changes, optimize resource utilization, and get a unified view of your AWS resources. Docker Containers. By using Docker containers, you can package your application with all its dependencies into a standardized unit for software development, deployment, and operation. Conclusion. In conclusion, AWS DevOps and the essential tools required to develop a web app on Amazon Web Services provide a powerful platform for building, deploying, and managing modern applications.